Hi, welcome back to Between the Keys. This is another one of those tunes that's in the Fallout games, and I'm teaching you a lot of those old jazz tunes. This is Happy Times by Bob Crosby. It was also requested on the channel by a viewer, and if you have requests for other songs you want to learn, please do put them in the comments and I will try to get around to teaching them as soon as possible. Before I teach you this song, which is in C, we're going to need a C major 7 to start. Nice jazz tune. I'm just going to mention this piano. It's a Roland FP-30X. You'll see the links for it in the description and the pinned comment as soon as I put them there, and all my other music gear as well. So if you need a piano or anything else music related, you can use those affiliate links and they help the channel. Alrighty, here's a C major 7. You could play it here, there's root position, but I'm going to play it here, starting on the 5th. And we're gonna sing Wish on the Moon. Yeah, man, there's a major 7 on C. I just changed one note and we've got A minor 7, which would normally be here. I'm just starting that on the 7, you see? So there's your major 7 on C, there's your minor 7 on A. Then I played D minor 7 like that, and G7 like that. You see how close all of these chords are? Keep them nice and contained if you can. I'm just playing the root notes in the bass, so C, then A, then D, then G. Wish on the moon. Let's do it nice and slow. Wish on the moon, D and G. Back to the C. And look for, back to the A minor again, the gold in a rainbow. Those two there were F major and E dominant 7, blues chord. Back to the A minor, and you'll find happy times. Let's let that plane finish landing and I'll do that line again. That plane has landed Houston, alrighty. And you'll find happy times. That there was A minor 7, and I walked the bass down to a G, same chord, and you'll find F major again, G7, happy times, and we hit the C major 7. One more time, A minor, G in the bass, F major, G7, happy times, and we hit C major 7, A minor 7, D and G. That, by the way, is a common turnaround. It's like the 1, the C, up to the 6, up to the, or down to the 2, and then the 5. So it's 1, 6, 2, 5, 1. That's a common progression. Same again for the next verse. You'll hear a tune. 1, 6, 2, 5. And back to the 1. That lives in the heart of a bluebird, F and E7, A minor, and you'll find happy times. Now we've got this one, C diminished. I'm starting it on the G. Wait a minute, that doesn't make sense. It should be this. Apologies, that's C sharp diminished. We need C diminished, you see? So we need, and you'll find F, G, happy times, diminished. That's your diminished on C. Happy times, diminished, G minor 7 and C. Because we're kind of changing key to F now. Though things, there's your melody note, it's an A. Though things, and we're going to play an F major. Though things may look very dark, your dream is not in vain. For when do you find a rainbow? This is the bridge. Only after rain. And we played F to start. Though things, then we played F augmented, sharp 5. Though things may look very dark, to F diminished there, you see, F diminished. F augmented, F diminished. Though things may look very dark to see, your dream is not in vain. G7, back to the major 7 on C. And then we got this one, E7. And just to spice it up, I played an E7 augmented. Sharp 5, sharp 9. But you don't need to play that. But it just sounds cool. Your dream is not in vain. For when you could just play normal E7. So one more time. Though things may look very dark, your dream is not in vain. C, G, C, E, A minor. For when, and hold. For when do you find the rainbow? That's A minor with a 6 on it. Back to D minor. Only after rain, G7. And again, to spice it up, I played like a G13. The 7, the 9, the 3, and the 13. Only after rain. Just to spice it up again. And it sounds beautiful. You could play minor 9 on the D. Only after rain. And that leads you back nicely to the verse, which is the same again, verse 3. So wish on the moon, yeah, and someday it may be tomorrow. There's that funky E chord again, sharp 5, sharp 9. Always fun to put that in. You will suddenly hear chimes. We changed there. We've got the A minor still, G in the bass, and then F, and then G7, hear chimes, and we go to B minor 7, B flat dominant 7, and then A7, a walk down, which is nice, just to change it up in the song. And you'll have D minor, your happy time, back to C, D, G and C, and then C dominant 7. Proper jazz here, because that leads us nicely to the F again. We're going to do that bridge, F, F augmented, F diminished, C, G, C, E, A6, A minor 6, D minor, G. So wish on the moon, and one more verse to finish. That instrumental I would solo over, and in fact I did, and I'm doing again now. F major, F augmented, F diminished. Let's see if I can do it over here without jogging the camera. Let's see if I can do it. On the moon, yeah man, and someday it may be tomorrow. You will suddenly hear chimes, and you have your happy time. Finish on C major 9, if you like, and then D minor 9. The funky G chord, G13, and then again, C major 7. Just another 2-5-1 at the end. I even saw another version of this song on Ultimate Guitar. They had this. They had like C major 7 to finish, and it went to like E flat major, D minor, G, E flat or something down to C, which was interesting. But I'm not sure I hear that in the song, and I prefer just going D minor, G, and C to finish. Anyway, that's the whole song for, what is it called? Happy Times by Bob Crosby. Look for the gold in a rainbow. Beautiful song. Plenty more coming from the Fallout games. I've even got a few older Michael Jackson albums still to teach. Just finished with Invincible. Gonna do some Stevie Wonder. Oh my goodness, lots of songs still to teach on the channel. Much more. coming soon. If you enjoyed this one, give it a like and subscribe. Give it a like. All that jazz, all that stuff. And check out this Roland FP-30X again. It's on there somewhere. It's in the description. It's in the pinned comment. If you need a piano, you can go to those Amazon affiliate links and they will help the channel. I've had it about 2-3 years and it's still going strong, man.